Hello. So, this is a miller's table, or the beginning stages of it. Alright, it's 24 inches long this way, and 30 inches this long. And to have a good, effective miller's table, you want to have a lot of base area. So I'm going to bend this side, which is 6 inches in, and I'm going to bend this side, which is 6 inches in. This is 6 inches in as well, but on each one of these I'm going to bend it a 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle, and 90-degree angle. I probably won't cut to here. And that will make so it folds up almost into a box shape, so then I can drill if I need to, or attach like a spray bar in here or anything else that I'd like. And so my material is going to run this way. And then this itself is a shot up detour sign that I got out of the garbage. So I'm recycling, and yeah, I think it's going to be nice. So the next time that you see this, will be pretty much all folded up. So I might do the detour sign part because of the paint that's there. Rough this up and then put like chalk paint or something over the top of it to have a surface to catch gold. So there you go. And this button. So am I even hitting the right buttons on this thing?